What person in history do you think that Cade would take out to dinner?
I would probably take like Stevie Ray Vaughan out to dinner.
Jesus.
Hear about some of the shows that he's been on, you know.
It's funny because like Cade's our second newest, so
Yeah, he's a big influence. I love the blues.
I've never really seen him eat food.
I would take him to eat probably some barbecue, man. I'd probably honestly, Jonathan, I'd probably take him to this spot down the road that cranks out this really good barbecue and just find a spot somewhere like somewhere chill, like maybe by the water and just kick it.
Yeah, I don't think it would be tacos though.
What do you think Cade's favorite way to spend a weekend is?
Weekends, I I do like to get some exercise in, whether that be playing pickleball or just going on a walk hike with the dogs. Sometimes I'll hit the beach.
Family and church. He's about to have a baby. Like she's due I think in 3 weeks, with his wife and
Sometimes I just stay home and hang out with the dogs, but try to stay active on the weekends, get outside, get some sun.
Do you know what his least favorite day of the week is?
no. I think Cade makes every day a good day.
I don't struggle really with any days of the week, but least favorite, I guess Monday because it's gonna take on the most. It's gonna put the most pressure on me.
What do you think is a movie that he might have seen more than 10 times?
Like Marvel, like superhero stuff. I can see him really being into that.
Happy Gilmore. I just love Adam Sandler. I think his comedy and his ways of doing things. I kind of align with it. I think he's funny.
What's a song that you know all the words to?
I'm just gonna go like anything like hip hop related.
It's funny because this song doesn't have lyrics, but one that I constantly jam is Little Wing. I like the Jimmy version and the Stevie Ray version.